Hey, what is up guys? So pretty much in this video I'm going to actually change the LCD on my Nokia 7 Plus phone. So what exactly happened was I got one from Amazon which worked for a while and then it stopped working. So basically what happens is once the touch works and then once you lock that, let me unlock this, the touch stops working. Do you see that? So I got another LCD from maxb.com. So there's the box. Pretty much check it out. So good price, but I need to test this out. So one important thing on a Nokia 7 Plus is the fact that you need to heat this up on the sides to get the LCD off. And remember guys, do not use the blade all around. What exactly happens is if you have an original display, what happened with my original display is the fact that the blade actually went through and it just sliced the LCD off this one. So pretty much just be careful when you do this. You need to heat this up. However, in my case, I've already heated up, so it's just gonna pop off. So I'm just gonna quickly replace it. So once you heat this up on the sides, so basically you just start off with this one. You may need a blade to start off, but make sure you're using the blade only on the top part or the bottom part. Do not go right to the, sort of like the internal system. So then it just like slices the LCD off. So I'm just using this and then it's gonna just pop off. So I'm gonna lift the LCD here. Do you see that? So it sort of like comes off. Basically in my case, I think the LCD is just sort of like just sitting. Do you see that? This is a replacement LCD already ripping apart. So just comes off like that. And make sure you remove the battery lead like this quite gently guys, just sort of like that's off. I'm gonna remove this. That's off right now. I'm gonna take the new LCD. So before I connect it completely, before I completely just sort of like place the LCD, I'm gonna just test the LCD out. So I'm gonna just connect it quite gently, the ribbon cable right there. Okay, it's sitting right there, quite neat. Do you see that? Then I'm gonna connect the battery lead here. Just kind of like clamps in. Then I'm gonna start the phone. Let's just check it out whether it works. Okay, seems to be working. Okay, now I'm gonna test the touch. So basically what was happening was the first touch works. Once the phone reboots, on a second touch it doesn't work. I'm gonna click on let's go. Skip. I'm gonna lock the phone. Unlock that. Skip. Back. Wow, it works. So pretty much there it is guys. All you have to do is clamp it back and that should do it. So there it is guys, the final finish. So once I start the phone, pretty much works. There it is. So now I'm gonna unveil the part of Nokia right here. You see that? That's brilliant because most of these replacement displays don't have this part, which is amazing to look at. And we just remove it. So there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. Give a big thumbs up if you did like the video, and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Yeah.